Hi, my name is Taimour Zaman from LionCredit.ai, and in this video, I'm going to share with you what an in-ground trading program is and how you can make a lot of money out of it. Hi, so I'm Taimour Zaman from LionCredit.ai. My organization provides lines of credit, loans, business investments to operators of organizations. Primarily why people choose us is generally for three specific reasons. One is we can provide a lot more capital than traditional institutions can. That's really important to me. I'm really interested in creating meaningful change in the world. And if I can provide far more funding to a business that's trying to create meaningful change in the world, whether it's a real estate developer, whether it's an oil and gas producer, whether it's an investor who wants to invest in a meaningful startup, I feel I can make a contribution to the planet that way. I'm interested in providing a lot more capital than businesses can traditionally get access to. Second reason why I think people choose us is because of our level of competency and our ability to do transactions, really getting transactions done really fast, especially complicated ones. I like to think it's our level of integrity is why people choose us. Is what I like to think, but I feel like a lot of customers come to us because of our domain expertise. One of the areas that we've done some amount of work for is in the oil, gas, and gold industry. And in the gold industry, or I should say the mining industry, there's a lot of assets under the ground. And I understand the challenges in being an operator. One of your biggest challenges, as an example, is human resources and safety of employees going under the ground to dig things like gold up. The in-ground trading program is new, it's exciting, it's very simple and a no-brainer. And I think it's a far better, easier way of making money. What it is that you go get your industry geological third-party report. In the gold industry, as an example, is the N14301 report that you need to get. You provide that to an institution, a trusted, well-branded institution like ours, that report. And what we do is we can go to a hedge fund or a bank that we have a relationship with and get a loan or a line of credit or some kind of a capital against that report. Now here comes the great part. We then put that capital in a capital enhancement program that is specifically for gold mines. And then that generates a lot of profits. So this is in essence producing profit just out of paper. Really, that's the easiest way of me describing it. Consider there's a lot of assets under the ground and that asset is not utilized. What the old world is doing is that you're hiring hundreds and thousands of people to bring the gold, dig the gold, bring the gold up. Like there's a whole world, a whole process of how you dig that gold up and for it to go to market. That's time and cost. All I'm suggesting is that there's an asset value to that underground asset. That's why it's called in-ground. There are a lot of hedge funds and banks that will provide a line of credit or a loan or an investment fund against the value of that asset. So let's say you have $50 billion as an example into the gold mine. That's the value of your third-party independent report. Well, there are hedge funds that will pay, let's say, $30 billion in cash against the value of that asset. That cash, that $30 billion, we can then put it into a capital enhancement program in your lawyer's account or in your bank account, and the capital enhancement program will be leveraged to then go and make billions more for you. So if you have $50 billion and you get a line of credit or loan from a hedge fund for, let's say, $30 billion, that $30 billion in a capital enhancement program will provide $100 billion on a month-to-month basis for a set period of time. And that's called the trading program. So in-ground trading program. You need to know, you need to participate in these things. First of all, it's a 4-page document, fairly easy to read. You and your attorneys read the legal terms of it. If you don't feel comfortable, you do not proceed. If you do feel comfortable, I would highly recommend organizations that are well branded and trusted like mine is, LionCredit.ai, where not only do we have access to programs like this, but we also bring in former FBI, former CIA agents to do the vetting of all the players, so your banker, your lawyer is crystal clear that everybody who's involved in a capital enhancement program is, there's no funny money, funny business going on like that. We are part of your legal team. We support you on that. We support you on bringing the projects in to vet the projects for your team as a third-party organization, and then for you to participate in it. So, compared to the old world of making money as a gold operator, as an example, I think this model is a lot more lucrative, a lot more faster. And if you're interested in LionCredit.ai, I'd love to chat with you a little bit about it. Thank you very much.